Can you say something good about Dave Farber? What do you remember?
The first thing that comes up to my mind is his emails was named Interesting People. That means Dr. Farber himself chose out of a few thousand people, particularly interesting people or interesting mails, and forwarded them. Central Glocom actually, and Adam Peake read through it, averaged for me. So all I had to do was to read 20 to 30 interesting mails. That's very useful.
How useful? It's like you learned technical matters?
Matters or what's happening in this information society, social problems, not only technical problems.
Policy,
yes.
Government, especially in the early days, like 1993, 4, 5. There are not too many other sources of information about the internet.
Yeah, that was before the internet became popular. Those days, his Interesting People mail was the only outlet for us to this network.
You started the study of the information society, infosocionomics, 情報社会学. But first time you learned about the internet, who told you about that, if you remember?
Probably Farber.
In your diary, you wrote it. Dave Farber and Mark Rothenberg.
Yes, that's right.
And you asked the question. Do you remember that?
Yes, I do. Somewhere in Tokyo, we three met together. And after that, I was introduced to the first internet forum that took place in Kobe in 19 June. That was very, again, useful, where I saw Jun Murai for the first time in person. I'm interested also.
You wrote Vince talk about the millions and billions of people who will use the internet was very impressed. Do you remember that?
I forgot. You remember that his speech was very impressive.
At that time, 92, how many scholars or professors like yourself talking about the internet in Japan?
At that time, very few.
Nobody, but you.
Maybe.
You started to evangelize the internet.
Yes.
Why?
I immediately realized that this is the communication means, or what I call the root communication. This is the internet. Yeah.
So after 35 years, did you imagine that things like this would happen?
That's a difficult question. Maybe I dreamt about it, but probably the real development was much more profound, much more large movement than I had expected.